a bookmark. It's not those bookmarks that are rectangular shaped and everyone knows how to make them. It's going to be one of those square shaped ones that stay in the corner of your book. So you'll need a pencil, scissors, a ruler and a piece of paper. So first you need to find a number that's in the 3 times tables. So I'm going to choose 18. So I mark an 18 on my piece of paper. Now, make sure it's kind of in the, not in the middle, but here. So now you rule a line all the way to the dot you've just made. Now, 3 times 6 is 18. So now I'm going to make a dot every 6 centimeters. And now you just rule a line top to bottom of those dots. So it should be looking like this. Oh, a little bit like it. Now I'm going to cut this out, the rectangle. See, when I cut it, I kept a little bit, so you'll see what will happen if you didn't keep them. So now we're up to the steps. Step 1, you fold it, the middle one, to look like a triangle. And now you need to fold one back, and you need to fold the other one back. You see? Now it will kind of have a corner thing here, which you can put your book in. Now, you fold this in, and make sure it goes into the inside. So instead of doing this, you could have just used glue, but I'm just going to do this. And you can decorate it if you like. I'm just going to do a little smiley face. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it. Bye!